If you wonder how to use the Instagram Reel songs for your videos by using your Android, let's see. So first you need to open the Instagram app. You just open any reel. For example, I open this reel. So if I want to use this reel, music or video or audio, click this and click save and back. In case if you didn't see that option, you need to watch this video. I will give the video link in the end screen also. So after this, just minimize this and you need to install this edit app. It's Instagram edit app. Just open that and click the plus icon and import the videos using this option. I already imported. Just open that and here you can see audio option, add audio. You can click this and save. So now you can see that added audio. Just tap and click this arrow and you can select the portion or just click done. It's added. This is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Instagram on mobile, you need to watch this playlist.